Welcome to Kadau the Temple Moon. Immerse yourself in ancient ruins and temples. This is designed for sci-fi and fantasy enthusiasts with a detailed collection of terrain, scatter and minis. The temple comes with a modular selection of columns, walls, arches, porticos and toppers. You can choose whether you put them on the columns or whether you put them on the tabletop. The temple uses open lock clips in 2 sizes to allow you complete flexibility. Almost every item comes in 2 sizes. Large for an impressive, overwhelming temple that will really give height to your tabletop, or a much more manageable, smaller one. If you want to stack your columns and have multiple high ones, then the smaller options take up less space. Or just mix and match and print both like we have. For those of you who like to add flooring, we have a set of modular tiles on the theme of dark and light. There's even sand heaps sweeping across them. Detail your temple further with statues, broken, fallen over, or standing upright. They come in 2 varieties, light and dark. In fact, there's a whole theme of light and dark. If you want, you can print everything in black for a dark temple. On funding, we'll also be releasing the planar meshes. These are the ones before the desert texture. So if you want a smooth obsidian style temple, you'll be able to do that too. To round it out, we have a number of key game elements. There are line of sight blocking walls. There are difficult terrain sand dunes. Plus, there's a few pieces of scatter just to add flavour, and a round building, just because. All the terrain is designed for easy, support-free FDM printing. But if miniatures are more your thing, we have a range of miniatures too, and you can choose between the terrain set, the miniature set, or all in combined. There are 12 different minis with a whopping 24 poses, so there should be something to go with your temple. To start, there are 2 heroes, a dark hero and a light hero. There's a temple guard and a temple guard captain, again coming in dark and light and multiple poses. And to round it out, there's a selection of 6 weird and wacky looking pilgrims. Let's just say they take cloaking to a whole new level. All the minis are available, professionally supported for resin printing. So which side will you pick? Will you go for the dark hero? He's a bit of a poser, and why stand up straight when you can do a lunge? Or would you prefer the slightly scruffier looking but light hero? But if you want to try out Kadau the Temple Moon before you pledge, then we have a free gift for you. All you need to do is sign up to the email newsletter and you'll receive a set of obelisks plus a supported resin mini. And the minis also come unsupported if you prefer to support yourself. So back now to bring Kadau the Desert Temple to your tabletop. Remember, you can choose terrain or minis, or you can buy the whole lot altogether at a discount price. The more people that back, the more stretch goals we can unlock, and we've got some great ones planned. Whether it's light up columns and minis, more poses, libraries, and even corners and T-junctions so you can make the walls into complete ruin sets. Plus the obsidian temple and square columns and more patterns for the columns. So back now to support Kadau the Temple Moon and get your hands on some great models.